Nora nTx sheet flooring seams are prepared using the edge trim and trace cut method. Do not cut the excess protective film from the sides of the flooring. The film must be folded over the flooring surface during edge trimming. Use a Crane 340 selvage trimmer or similar with breakaway blades to make cleaner cuts. Underscribe tools are not recommended for seam cutting. You must add velcro to the underside of the trimmer to avoid marking the flooring. Add a second layer under the blade side to give the trimmer the correct angle required for unwelded seams. Then, remove about ½ inch of the factory trimmed edge. Dry lay the sheet flooring with all arrows on the back facing the same direction and overlapping all seams. Do not reverse sheets. Trim or cut down sheets and fit to the walls. The trimmed sheets will overlap the untrimmed edges and measure a maximum of 48 inches to the next trimmed edge. Make relief cuts as required so the sheets lay flat and to avoid tears. Next, use a nora knife with a straight utility blade set to the thickness of the flooring to carefully trace cut the entire seam. Use a utility knife vertically with the same type of straight blade to finish the cut at each end of the seam at the walls. For a clean, even seam and to avoid hand cutting at walls, you can cut seams in a larger area before bringing flooring into the installation area. Finish cutting the seam using a hook blade utility knife to provide a very slight undercut, being careful not to cut into the Nora nTx 020. Then, carefully remove the excess material. The finished dimension on the width should be 48 inches after seam cutting. Continue this process one sheet at a time until the area is completed. Next, fold back a workable section of the flooring, normally half of the area, over itself. Then, carefully vacuum the exposed Nora nTx 020 and use a flat steel trowel to back trowel the surface and remove any bumps or debris before removing the exposed protective film from the sheet being installed. Do not allow the Nora nTx adhesive to contact itself. The adhesive cannot be separated and the flooring will need to be replaced. Best practice is to remove the protective film one sheet at a time to avoid allowing dirt and debris to become trapped under the flooring. Repeat this process for the opposite half of the area. Then, trim or cut in the entire perimeter to complete the installation. Do not pressure fit the flooring. Finish by rolling the entire area using a 100 to 150 pound roller.